Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale customer journeys with Optimizely step by step clearly. To scale customer journeys with Optimizely, start by defining your customer segments. Identify specific customer personas that represent your target audience. Utilize data analytics to inform your understanding of these personas. Next, map out the current customer journey for each persona. Break down each touchpoint and interaction customers have with your brand. Evaluate the strengths and weaknesses at each stage of the journey. Once mapped, establish clear objectives for each customer segment. Develop tailored experiences based on the objectives you've set. Use Optimizely's experimentation tools to create variations of your content. Design and implement A/B or multivariate tests to gauge user responses. Monitor real-time data through Optimizely's dashboard to assess performance. Analyze results after sufficient data has been collected. Utilize insights gained from the testing phase to refine your approach. Optimize underperforming touchpoints to enhance the overall user experience. Employ personalization strategies that resonate with your target customer segments. Integrate feedback loops to continuously gather insights from your audience. Document changes and adjustments to maintain a clear record of progress. Finally, repeat the optimization process regularly to adapt to evolving customer needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.